aspirants. Welcome back to our channel today. We're diving into some major changes in India's legal landscape. From July 1st, 2024, 3 new criminal laws are coming into force, replacing the colonial-era laws. The 3 new laws are Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, and Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam. Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita replaces the 163-year-old Indian Penal Code. It modernizes the system with technology and forensic sciences. Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita replaces the Criminal Procedure Code, streamlining legal processes. It mandates faster justice delivery within 45 days of trial completion and charges framed within 60 days of first hearing. Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam replaces the Indian Evidence Act. It simplifies evidence collection and includes electronic recording. These laws aim to make the system more efficient, transparent, and fair. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what you think about these new laws. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.